I've got Mr. Puri now in the hot seat. So if there are any questions that need to be answered for which there are no ready answers with me, I will turn to Mr. Puri to answer those questions. So this year's theme of my speech was really focused on how to create jobs, particularly in rural areas and in semi-urban areas, and how to, what strategy needs to be adopted as far as from our perspective to support the Prime Minister's objective of doubling farmer incomes by 2022. So this is the theme of this year's speech that I delivered at the annual general meeting of the shareholders. I wonder how many of you have gone through that speech. Can you tell me whether you have? So can I ask you some questions? So this is, so basically one of the basic problems that our country is facing, as you would know, and as you would perhaps be as journalists writing yourselves, is that we've not been able to create the number of jobs as the number of people who are coming into the job market. Some people have estimated that about 12 million jobs are required to be created every year, and we are not able to do that. So one of the areas where such jobs can be created is really giving a big push to the food processing industry, because then you can save about 92,000 crores of agri-wastages, and you can create jobs in the manufacturing area to support the Make in India mission of our country by creating jobs at the intersection of agriculture and industry. So we've laid out that area, and including the wood-based industries. As you know that today we have nearly zero import duty. So I don't know how many of you know that most hotels import their furniture from overseas. Most middle class to well-to-do people import their furniture from overseas because it's cheaper to do so. And it has deprived the artisans of our country from their livelihoods. And our farmer is competing with automated farms overseas. After all, there is no corporate farming that is permitted in India.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/ETNow, and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at ETNowLive. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/ETNow.